Now, let me show you how you're gonna type emojis on your MacBook. So no matter what you're doing, no matter where the text field is, if it's in a spotlight search or if you are in the Notes app, wherever you wanna insert the emojis, you can perform the shortcut on your actual physical keyboard, which looks like this. You hold down on the Control, Command, and then click the space bar. And if you perform this, you're going to get to this mode, this window where you essentially have the ability to browse and scroll through all of your emojis. And obviously you can even look up whatever emotion or thing you want to insert. So it's looking very nicely. You can just paste it like this and it just applies to literally any place you want. So again, the shortcut is Control, Command, and a space. So when you perform it like this, you can insert your emojis wherever you want to. So that's how it works. I'm obviously using the US keyboard, but as you can see, even if you click on the keyboard or language selector in at the top, you can click on show emojis and symbols like this, and you can also get there manually if you would want it to. So without the shortcut, you can as well click on the languages and tap on show emoji and symbols. So that's again another method of how you can make that appear. So I hope it helped. Let me know if you have some additional thoughts or questions about this. Subscribe below for more, and I'll see you in the later videos in the future.